You know the experience. Place your laptop on a tabletop or a standing desk and you're in for an ergonomic nightmare. A laptop stand is a simple way to raise the screen to eye level, a small change that may help you keep better posture. Your body will be grateful. Here at Top 5 Area, we do all the research on all your favorite devices and find the best product to suit you. If you find this useful, subscribe for more videos. You'll find links to the products down in the description. Best overall, Smart Stand UGreen X Kit. X Kit is one of the first genuinely smart laptop stands. This is due to the inclusion of a USB-C hub in its design, which adds 2 USB-A ports, one full-size HDMI port, and SD and TF slots for external storage. Given the scarcity of ports on many current computers, this is really valuable. Because of the X-shaped folding design, it may be utilized in 4 different orientations, depending on your workflow. It is also one of the lightest alternatives on this list, weighing in just 283 grams. There's little doubt that the X kit was built with the MacBook in mind, but UGreen promises it's compatible with any devices ranging from 11 to 17 inches. If you're looking for the best laptop stand with functionality at a great price, the UGreen laptop stand is all that you need. Best runner-up, Razer Laptop Stand Chroma. Razer Chroma provides the ultimate personalization and gaming immersion in this premium aluminium device. There are so many exciting features on this smart stand. The first is the 3 USB ports at the back of the stand for additional peripherals. The second is the individually illuminated backlit keys with the possibility of 16.8 million colors. The Chroma was developed for maximum cooling. It has an open design beneath the laptop for unrestricted airflow, preventing thermal throttling. The Razer Chroma is on the pricier end, but considering the premium brand, aesthetics and functionality, the Razer Chroma gives your setup the extra oomph. Best runner-up to Raim mStand. Many individuals search for a polished and elegant office decor and accessories that also provide top performance when purchasing for your office. If this describes you, consider the Raim Design mStand. This aluminium stand is made of a single piece of forged material. The space beneath is ideal for storing miscellaneous workspace objects, and there is a 2-inch diameter circular slot on the rear for cable management. The Raim Design mStand is a strong and functional laptop stand that will give a streamlined appearance to any laptop workspace. We like the mStand style and form, but because it cannot be adjusted or folded down to a smaller size, it might not be suitable for everyone. Best runner-up 3. Wooden TEKXDD. A laptop stand does not have to be constructed of aluminium, and TEKXDD's solution demonstrates that a wooden design may be just as effective. It's a minimalist curved piece of bamboo, yet it can lift your laptop off the ground to a comfortable height for your neck and eyes. At the same time, there is plenty of room for keyboard and other peripherals. If you already have a wooden table or desk, the laptop stand will fit right in. We especially like the bamboo variant shown, but is also available in oak black. TEKXDD's laptop stand is compatible with virtually all laptops thanks to its universal design. Just make sure that your laptop isn't wider than 50.8 centimeters. You're not going to be able to adjust the wooden laptop stand. So if you know you're not going to be moving the laptop, the TEKXDD desk monitor stand can be for you. Best under $20, iVola. Currently #1 bestseller on Amazon. This is the best laptop stand that you can get for the least amount of money. The metal is strong and of high quality. The stand is strong enough to support the weight of any laptop. The stand can be adjusted to different levels, which is ideal for making it ergonomic. The angling of the laptop with iVola is much more ergonomically correct, making it much more comfortable for you to be working from home without neck pain. iVola is smaller than it might seem and still does an incredible job at holding your laptop. The build ticks all of the boxes, are easy to use, sturdy and lightweight. It can fold and unfold, making it easy to travel with. You can even take it to your local coffee shop. The stand fits all standard size laptops. It even fits the MacBook Pro 15 and Razer Blade 15. So even if you have a larger laptop, the stand will still work really well. Or for a foldable, lightweight and a sturdy laptop stand, the iVola is great for the price. Laptop stands can help you improve your posture, reduce eye strain, and organize your workspace. Consider the UGreen for best smart stand, Choose the laptop Razer stand Chroma if you want design and functionality all in one, Raim mStand for functionality and minimalist style, TEKXDD for wooden stand, iVola for portability and your budget. Subscribe to Top 5 Area to keep up to date on videos to help you research the newest devices. We'll see you next time.